Hi, today we will use cloth modifiers and forces to animate those clothes. It will be like a seagrass-like geometry, and with a wind force we will going to animate those. First we need to create some planes which will resemble the geometry of a seagrass. I just create one plane, and we need to have several segments. I will modify this plane. So I convert this to an editable poly. I adjust the vertices a bit. I will make several copies of this. I will adjust the scales of them so they resemble different shapes. I will attach the geometries to one of the planes. Therefore, I press the attach option and select the other planes. So now they are just one object. I will add a subdivision modifier, so I will have more vertices. And I will add a turbo smooth to this. So now I have several vertices that would be helpful when I turn them into a cloth. On top of this, I will add my cloth modifier. So now my geometries are ready. I need to have another box so I can attach those objects. And I need to also add a force to this scene. Therefore, I go to the create mode and then go to the forces, space warps, and then to forces. I will add a wind force. So direction is quite important. Other than that, maybe we will modify the strength and intensity of this force later on when we see how the animation is being simulated. So I select my objects, and now I am in the cloth modifier. I will select the plane which is my seagrass-like structures. I add this to a cloth. I will first use the wet cloth, and I will also use the other box to be a collision object. So this is the cloth and this is the collision object. I press OK. I want those geometries to be attached this box, so I need to go to the group, and as I see, I have my vertices here. I will select the ones that are in the first row, and I will make them a group. So this is called a seam, and I will assign them to this geometry. So this will be a surface. Now these are attached to this surface, so they are not going away because I will use a wind modifier. One last thing I need to do is activate the self collision, and I can give it a 2, and we will then see if this is also, if we need to change it later on. So I click the simulate local, and we'll look how the objects are being animated. I guess I forgot to use the force, so I need to add this force as well. So I need to click to cloud forces, and as I have just one force, I will add this to my cloud modifier. Now I will see probably the effect of this wind. So I click again to the cloud to the simulate button. So probably I need to adjust the force of this, the intensity of my force. So I will do that. I will give a turbulence to this. And try to get a more precise animation. So I did some adjustments to the force and to the materials. So those are as follows: that the plane which did not have some pressure, I add some pressure and damping as we did it for the cushion, and also I decreased the strength of the force, so it's very less now. And when I go back to the to my cloud modifier, I also adjust the gravity, so it's just minus 50, as you see. And then I have now a more adjusted simulation to this, which I would like to have. So I just use the local simulation, but if you would use the damped or animated simulation, we will have a better result probably. So it's calculated more properly now, but as I have just 100 frames, it won't be quite long. So the simulation has been calculated, and our animation seems like this. I guess it would be, we would need probably a bit more adjustments. I guess at some point it gets quite very complex. Maybe we need to use a different geometry where they are attached. Hope you can try it and will get better results than me. Thank you.